Einhell Multi-Max Cordless. 1 tool, 2 batteries, 4 tool attachments, and infinite applications. The sanding attachment turns the tool into a fully configured delta sander. The scraper makes it easy to remove mortar and glue residues as well as silicone joints. The HSS Blade allows precise plunge cuts in wood, wood-based materials, and plastics. The hard metal segment cutting wheel enables you to remove the joint material for tiles easily, precisely, and almost completely dust-free. The Multi-Max works on the Oscillation Principle. The tool attachment vibrates in rapid succession to the left and right. The speed can be electronically adjusted to the particular requirements. The lithium-ion technology allows the Multi-Max cordless to be used wherever you need it. Thanks to the second battery, you are perfectly equipped even for major projects. All this without any self-discharge or undesired memory effect. The ability to work cable-free saves a huge amount of time and also enhances your freedom of movement. The Einhell Multi-Max cordless is flexible and always ready to use.